sa kanyang mga ginastos sa kanyang confidential fund. Tama naman sila. Pero kung tatanungin natin sila, are they liquidating their MOOE monthly from 2002 to the present? Wala, di ba? Oh. How much are they receiving? Every member of the House is receiving approximately 2002 na figure to 400 plus thousand every month. Ang kanilang liquidation, pipirma lang na ginamit nila for legislative purpose. Now, if each of them will be accounted sa kanilang